I told you your own brain is lying to you right now. No, seriously, I am going to trick your brain in the next 5 seconds. Ready? Look at these two lines. Which one is longer, A or B? Don't overthink it. Just pick one. Got your answer. Feeling confident? Well, your brain just walked into a trap because both lines are exactly the same length. Wait, what? Grab a ruler. Go ahead, measure them yourself. See, they are identical. So if your eyes saw the same thing, who made the mistake? Your brain did. But don't worry, everyone's brain falls from this illusion. Every scientist knows this trick. Here is what happening. Your eyes simply collect light. They send that information to the brain, but your brain doesn't show you the world exactly as it is. Instead, it makes super fast guesses based on patterns and past experiences. Most of the time, those guesses are incredibly accurate, but optical illusion exposes the tiny moments when those shortcuts fool us. That's why your brain can see something that isn't actually there. Here is something even crazier. Nobody sees the world exactly the same way. Every brain processes information a little differently. That means the reality you experience is actually your brain's best interpretation of what's around you. Isn't that amazing? So the next time you are absolutely sure your eyes can't be wrong, remember your brain might just be filling in the blanks. If this video tricked you, your brain, hit like button, subscribe the bell icon to learn with Clarity Academy and join our Science Mystery Unlock series because next time we will reveal another mystery that will make you say, what? Wait, what? What just happened? Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel.